Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here we are given that the coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of this ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11 is equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the expansion of this. Okay, now if this is the case, we have to find out the relation between a and b, where a and b are real numbers. Fine. Chalo. For this, to solve this question, there is a very basic concept that you guys need to know, and what is that is, okay, see, basically, let's say there is a binomial expansion a plus x whole power n, okay. What is a general term for this? This is a little concept which I am introducing. What is a general term for this? The general term for this is given by tr plus 1. Understand, it is given by tr plus 1, the general term, and the general term is given by NCR a power n minus r into x power r. Okay. Once again, I am telling. Let us say there is an expansion, binomial expansion a plus x whole power n. Okay. For this expansion, the general term, okay, r plus 1th term is given by tr plus 1 means r plus 1th term is given by NCR a power n minus r into x power r. Okay. Let one another. Okay. This much you guys need to understand. Now here, what is our expansion? Our expansion is ax square plus 1 by bx to the power 11. Okay, ax square plus 1 by bx to the power 11. Fine. Now if you see, my general term for this expansion is given by tr plus 1 is equal to 11 cr, because see, ncr, right, here my n is 11. Okay, so 11 cr a power n minus r. In place of a, I have ax square. So I have ax square to the power 11 minus r into x power r. In place of x, I have 1 by bx. So 1 by bx to the power r. I hope this step is clear. Fine. Now the simplification, stay with me guys. Okay, for the simplification and stay focused. Now see how I am simplifying. R plus 1/3 term is given by this. Okay, fine. Chalo. Now ax square, there are dots in between. See, 11c r dot, it means that into, like ax square power 11 minus r into. This is how it is there in textbook, so I am using the same format. Fine. This is an example question from textbook. Fine. Chalo. Ax wholes, this is already like 11 cr, we cannot do much about that. Now ax square power 11 minus r. ab power m is nothing but a power m into b power m. Okay, so ax square power 11 minus r is a power 11 minus r into x square to the power 11 minus r. Likewise, 1 by bx to the power r, okay, is nothing but 1 by b power r into x power r. Fine, the power just came to them, nothing much. Okay, now next, x square whole power 11 minus r. This, for this I need to help you guys a little, I guess. X square whole power 11 minus r is nothing but x power 2 into 11 minus r, because a power m whole power n is a power mn, so these powers get multiplied. So 2 into 11 minus r, so 22 minus 2r. Now see this step, don't get astonished, don't get surprised. I have done something here. See, a power 11 minus r, here 1 by b power r is there, that I brought it to this. So a power 11 minus r by b power r, this I wrote it in one bracket. Now the x terms, I kept them in one place, like x power 22 minus 2r by x power r. X power 22 minus 2r comes from this, like x square whole power 11 minus r is x power 22 minus 2r. So, and by x power r is there, right, that I brought it inside this bracket. 11 cr is there as it is. Hope it's going inside. I hope it's not going above the head. Okay, I hope it's going into the head. Fine. Chalo. Now, next, x power 22 minus 2r by x power r. Okay, from the law of exponents, again, law of exponents is used pretty often here. Like a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. So x power 22 minus r by x power r, x power 22 minus 2r by x power r. is nothing but x power 22 minus r minus, I'm sorry, x power 22 minus 2r minus r. Okay, see the step instead of me speaking. So basically this power, this minus r, okay, a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So x to the power 22 minus 2r minus r. Fine. What is minus 2r minus r? Minus 2r minus r is going to be minus 3r. Okay, minus 2r minus r is minus 3r. So x power 22 minus 3r we get. Fine. Now this is simplified. Okay, in the textbook, if you'll see, they gave this step and directly they came to this step. These three steps, I mean, it's not there in this. I introduced them so that it will be easy for you guys to understand how this simplification has come. Okay, fine. If you like this explanation, please comment like, okay, this explanation was helpful. Like, it will encourage me to, you know, put such explanations in other questions as well. Chalo. Now in this expansion, what they told us, now let's go back to the question once. In this expansion, the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion, coefficient of x power 10. Now we have to find out the coefficient of x power 10. How? If you see, in my general term, my x power is 22 minus 3r. We need the coefficient of x power 10. Listen carefully guys, there is a logic here. We need the coefficient of x power 10. That means I need to make this one as x power, see my general term, it is x power 22 minus 3 here. I need x power 10. That means listen, I need to equate this power to 10. Because I need coefficient of x power 10, I need a term which contains x power 10. To get a term that contains x power 10, I need to equate this power 22. That means x power 22 minus 3r should be equal to x power 10. That means 22 minus 3r should be equal to 10. I don't know how many of you understood this, but still, if any doubt, I'll try to help you out later. Okay, let me erase this. This is take. We should take. Okay, that a power m, I guess it's covering. Let me just erase it if possible. Yeah. Okay, fine. Chalo. Now, to find the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion, we should take 22 minus 3r equal to 10. I explained why. Now see, send this 22 to the RHS. Minus 3r equal to 10 minus 22. 10 minus 22 is minus 12. So minus 3r is minus 12. Minus minus cancel, r will be 12 by 3, which is nothing but 4. So basically, if we put r as 4 in this, we are going to get the term containing x power 10. The term containing x power 10. But what they gave in the question, they said that the coefficient of x power 10. Now only coefficient. See, if I'll put r as 4, I'll get in this, see, now listen carefully guys, this is something you need to understand. If I'll put r as 4, I'd get here x power 10, okay, but I want coefficient of x power 10. What is coefficient of x power 10? This remaining part, let me use some other color. This remaining part is going to be my coefficient. This remaining part, in this part just put r as 4. Okay, so my coefficient is going to be nothing but 11c4 into a power 11 minus 4 by b power 4. Hence the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion is, I mentioned, right, this green box. In this put 4, a power 11 minus 4 by b power 4. So 11 minus 4 is 7, so a power 7 by b power 4. So 11c4 dot a power 4 7 by b power 4. I hope this explanation is clear. Only first part of the sum is done. Now I need to do the same thing for the second expansion which they give. What is the second expansion which they give? The second expansion is ax minus 1 by bx square power 11, and in this case it is coefficient of x power minus 10. Remember this, coefficient of x power minus 10, I'm going to use this. For the second expansion, in the first expansion we found out the coefficient of x power 10, whereas for the second expansion we are going to find out the coefficient of x power minus 10. Chalo. Fine. So our second expansion, the same process. For the second expansion also, we are going to find out the general term first, get the x power, equate it to minus 10. Same process. Now for this, again NCR, in this the first term is ax, so ax power 11 minus r. In the second term is minus 1 by bx square. Guys, don't forget this. Minus you should not neglect. So the second term is minus 1 by bx square. So that's why minus 1 by bx square power r. Same thing, right? A power, the basic funda, like same as the previous one. Now, again, we need to simplify this. Stay focused, guys. Come on, stay focused. So 11CR, same process. AB whole power m is a power m into b power m. So here I would get a power 11 minus r into x power 11 minus r. A power 11 minus r into x to the power 11 minus r. That is what I'm gonna get. So dot a power 11 minus r. See how I'm using dots, because this is how it is there in the textbook. When we come to this one, here I get minus 1 power r by b power r into x square power r. So power r came to all three terms. Okay, minus 1 power r needs to be considered. Okay, in the previous sum, if you see, there was 1 power r. This was 1 power r. 1 power r is 1, so you would need not have to specify that. Okay, but here it is minus 1 power r, which needs to be specified. I mean, it needs to be there, right? Now again, how I am simplifying, pay attention. Minus 1 power r, bring it to the beginning. Minus 1 power r, 11CR, a power 11 minus r by b power r. Okay, now again, x power 11 minus r is there by x square power r, x power 2 whole power r is nothing but x power 2 into r, which is x to the power 2r. Okay, now with that, so that's why x terms I brought it in one bracket, so that it will be easy. Guys, if you write how I am showing now, it will be really easy for the examiner to correct. See such brackets and such presentation, if you'll write as I am explaining with brackets and all, it will look really good. Okay, chalo. Okay, now next, this keep it as it is, a power 11 minus r by b power r. Now in this same thing, a power m by a power n is nothing but a power m minus n. So 11 power x power 11 minus r by x power 2r is x to the power 11 minus r minus 2r. Same process, this 2r like minus 2r. I got. Fine. Now minus r minus 2r is minus 3r. So this is what I have, x to the power 11 minus 3r. Now in the question, what they told, I told you guys to remember something. Okay, what was that? X to the power minus 10. In this expansion, we need the coefficient of x to the power minus 10. We need the coefficient of x to the power minus 10. Now how are we going to get it? Here I have x to the power 11 minus 3r. So I just need to make sure that these two are same. That means 11 minus 3r should be equal to minus 10. To get the coefficient of x power minus 10 in this expansion, we should take 11 minus 3r equal to minus 10. Same logic as the previous one. Send the 11 to the RHS. So minus 3r is minus 10 minus 11. Minus 10 minus 11 is minus 21. So minus 3r is minus 21. So what I get is minus minus cancel, r is 21 by 3, which is nothing but 7. Fine. Let's go forward. Now I got r. So in this, the same process, if I'll put r as 7 in this, listen carefully guys, if I'll put r as 7 in this, if I'll put r as 7 in this, I'll get x to the power minus 10. But what I need is coefficient of x to the power minus 10. For the coefficient, all I need is, as for the coefficient, I just need to put r as 7 in this part. That's my coefficient. Okay, so I just need to put r as 7 in this box which you are seeing. Fine, so just put r as 7. So what I get is minus 1. So the coefficient of x power minus 10, the expansion of this is minus 1 power 7 dot 11c7 dot a power 11 minus 7 by b power 7. So minus 1 power 7 is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power odd number is going to be a negative. So minus 1. So 11c7, and a power 11 minus 7 is a power 4 by b power 7. Fine. Chalo, I hope till here it is clear. So we got both, like coefficient of x power 10 in the first expansion and coefficient of x power minus 10 in the second expansion. They said that they are equal. We'll do that. Let's take a short break, okay, of like 1 minute. Fine. See, in this world, each and every one of us have a lot of problems. Each and every person. There is no person without a problem in this world. There is literally no, almost very few people are there who do not have any problem. So maximum people, 99.99999% of population has problems, some or the other problem. Let it be health issues, let it be financial issues like డబ్బు సమస్యలు అవ్వచ్చు, ఇతరులతో గొడవలు, many issues are there. And you yourself might be having some issues. మీకు కూడా కొన్ని బాధలు ఉండొచ్చు. Like if you are a student, then it could be like, అబ్బా నాకు ఎగ్జామ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, నాకు ఈ టాపిక్ అర్థం కావట్లేదు, మంచి మార్క్స్ రావాలి, అలా నేను ఆలోచనలు, ఇష్యూస్, ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో వాట్ టు డూ దెన్? వన్ గుడ్ వే ఈస్ టు షేర్ యువర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విత్ అదర్స్. జస్ట్ బై షేరింగ్ మన హార్ట్ చాలా లైట్ అవుతుంది, అంటే మన మనసు మనకు ఎంతో బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది జస్ట్ బై టెలింగ్ అదర్స్. బట్ మేక్ ష్యూర్ ద పర్సన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ జడ్జిమెంటల్. అంటే కొందరు ఎలా ఉంటారంటే, మీరు ఎవరికైతే మీ బాధల్ని చెప్పుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారో వాళ్ళు జడ్జిమెంటల్ ఉండదు. అంటే ప్రతి దానికి ఒక మీనింగ్ తీయొద్దు అనమాట, ఒక నిర్ణయానికి రావద్దు వినంగానే. కేవలం బాగా వినేవాళ్ళు మీ జీవితంలో ఉంటే యు ఆర్ రియలీ బ్లెస్డ్. ఎటువంటి జడ్జ్మెంట్ లేకుండా యు ఆర్ రియలీ బ్లెస్డ్. ఇఫ్ సో మై సిన్సియర్ సజెషన్ ఇస్ లైక్, మీరు ఇతరులకు హెల్ప్ చేయాలన్నా జస్ట్ లిసన్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ వన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టైమ్, స్పేర్ లెట్ సమ్ టైమ్, అట్లీస్ట్ 5 to 10 minutes, just listen to them. It will give them hope that yes, this person listens to me. And meeku kuda emana problems ante go and share it with a good right person, okay? Then you know they also fear, then the other person also fear, and then you also might feel a bit light. Ante meeku kuda koncham ప్రశాంతంగా అనిపిస్తుంది బాధల్ని చెప్పుకున్నా, మీ సమస్యల్ని జస్ట్ మాట్లాడితేనే అప్పుడప్పుడు పరిష్కారాలు రావచ్చు. చూడండి, మీరు మాట్లాడితే పరిష్కారం అంటే సొల్యూషన్ రాకపోవచ్చు, బట్ అట్లీస్ట్ జస్ట్ బై టాకింగ్ you will feel better. Please try it. Either listen to others' problems or tell your problem to a qualified person, like let it be your parents or your teachers. It's up to you. And in case if you want to talk to me like regarding your problems or anything, okay, fine, you can just comment it. I'll give you the link to my WhatsApp group wherein you can come and share in your concerns or anything with me. Fine, if you feel like that. Chalo, now let's come back to the question. Fine. A quick recap, we got basically the coefficient of x power 10 in the previous slide. That we got it as 11c4 into a power 7 by b power 4, and in this we got it as minus 11c7 a power 4 by b power 7. So what is the condition given in the question? In the question they gave that coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion of this is equal to coefficient of x power minus 10 in the expansion of this. Fine. This first coefficient we got it as 11c4 into a power 7 by b power 4. The second coefficient we got it as minus 11c7 into a power 4 by b power 7. Fine. Chalo. Now, in binomial theorem, you have to know something, okay? In terms of like, what is that? Let me just change the color. Which one would be good? I guess blue would be good. Now, NCR, listen carefully. NCR is equal to NCn minus r. Once again, I am telling NCR is equal to NCn minus r. So 11c4 is nothing but, see guys, listen to me carefully. 11c4 is nothing but 11c 11 minus 4. 11c 11 minus 4, which is nothing but 11c7. So basically 11c4 is equal to 11c7. So these two cancel. Done. Now a power 7 by b power 4 is nothing but minus a power 4 by b power 7. Fine. Now just bring everything to the LHS. So a power, this will go to the numerator. So a power 7 into b power 7 by a power 4 will go to the denominator. A power 4 into b power 4 equal to minus 1 will remain. A power 7 by a power 4 is nothing but equal to a power 7 minus 4, and this one also b power 7 minus 4. So a power 3 into b power 3, that means a cube b cube is equal to minus 1. A power m into b power m can be written as ab whole power m. So a cube into b cube is nothing but ab whole cube. Fine, equal to minus 1. Now here, listen guys, listen carefully, one important thing. Here they mentioned that they mentioned that a and b are real numbers. Otherwise, in such a condition, you could get results as complex numbers. Like if they did not mention that a and b are real numbers, then you might have to take complex numbers also. But they mentioned that a and b are real, so ab whole cube equal to -1. This is possible when ab is -1, because -1 power cube is -1. Since ab are real, that is why this is. That's it, guys. This is a relationship. This is the relationship between a and b. That's it. Thank you very much for staying with me up till now. In case you like this video, please hit the like button. It will encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Once again, thank you.